This video here is all about Alpha Force Pro Male Vitality Capsules. Hit the like button down below. First off, that'll really help my video get out there and help people. So I'm going to show you here in a moment on my screen. There's a video I want to show you that has, I believe it's Arnold Schwarzenegger. If I'm incorrect, I'm incorrect. But it claims that different celebrities, maybe different people who are famous doctors on TV or whatever, endorse this. And this is scam marketing. I'm not saying that people who manufacture and create, like the company Alpha Force Pro, is behind the scam marketing, but I am saying there's scam marketing out there. And it looks like it might be an affiliate or whatever. I don't really know. But what I did notice is that if you try to look at the video that I'm about to show you through mobile, it shows you the scam. But if you look through desktop, it shows you something very plain and unscammy, so that investigators might be like, oh, maybe we didn't find the right website. But I'm going to show you now here on my screen. I probably can't show you things with this through the whole video because I think it has some explicit stuff. But let's see exactly what happens here.
Problems with it? Dude, listen carefully. Go to your kitchen right now. Grab some turmeric, a glass of water, and 2 more ingredients that you surely have in your fridge. These 3 ingredients mixed in water will make you stay hard 2 hours straight. I'm not...
So, jeez. I can't show you what's on the screen right now, but it's Arnold Schwarzenegger talking about Alpha Force Pro. But of course, he never said these words. That's... How do I put this? You should see what's on my screen right now. He never endorsed this Alpha Force Pro product. And so I hope that you know that. So if you're looking up Alpha Force Pro reviews and complaints, just know that there's scam marketing going on out there and you shouldn't fall for it through a scam marketing funnel. Yeah.
Kidding. This is the hack that Kevin Costner is teaching on his social media. I tested this and I had to keep... What surprised me is that it's much better than Viagra, Cialis, or Tadalafil because it has no side effects. After all, it's 2 fruits and a simple spice. After Kevin posted this, besides me, several other celebrities started testing it, and this thing became a trend among men. Check this out, man.
Look, man, I'm telling you, this stuff really works. I got ED too, and the only thing that got me out of that mess was this turmeric hack. This stuff is like a natural Viagra.
Look, I don't...
Yeah. Oh, my God. So anytime it cuts to me, by the way, and you're like, why did he go away from the video? It's because I can't show you what's in the video. It's just like explicit scenes.
Usually make these kinds of videos, but I felt obligated to after testing this turmeric hack. Man, at the time, I thought it's impossible that something so easy and natural could have the same effect as Viagra. Well, I had to eat my words. Like 2 hours. Hey, Kevin. Really works. You were right.
Only 0.01% of men know this secret, dude. The video where you learn this mixture is documented by my friend Kevin Costner and his doctor. And I'll play that video in 10 seconds. When Kevin posted this hack, some men used it and decided to post the results. Check this out.
I used this at work and ended up locked in the bathroom for 2 hours waiting because my just wouldn't go down. To cover it up, I went to the bathroom right when my boss saw me. And since then, she hasn't stopped texting me wanting pictures. I did this hack in the car. And
all right, I don't want to know the dude. Okay, let's move on here. Okay.
Right there, because I simply couldn't get out of the car, not even to get gas.
This stunt caught so much attention on the internet that some people went out into the streets asking about this hack. Just take a look at this.
Did you see that natural recipe Kevin Costner posted on TikTok this week?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so anyway, I even when you pause, it has like 4 photos that like each one of those I cannot show of, yeah, anyway. Alpha Force Pro. If you're looking around online for this Alpha Force Pro product, Alpha Force Pro Male Vitality Capsules, it's being advertised in a very scammy way, to say the very least. And Kevin Costner has nothing to do with this. None of the celebrities you saw have anything to do with it. I don't know who the doctor is they're eventually going to show, but it might be a while before we get there. So I'm going to say, who cares? So basically, my advice is to go see a doctor. And the only reason I'm making this video is to not recommend this product to you, but just to point out how there's a scam going on with the celebrities about this. And I noticed it because no one else is covering it. So Alpha Force Pro reviews, Alpha Force Pro Male Vitality Capsules reviews and complaints. If you're looking around for more information about Kevin Costner's ED recipe or something like that, just like stay away from all this. Just go see a doctor if you need to. And like, comment, subscribe. The money back guarantee with this sort of a thing, subscription charges will probably be part of this. It's just all not good. The money back guarantee won't be honored is what I'm trying to tell you. If it goes through an unofficial website or something like that, just stay away from all this. I can't believe I just saw what I just saw. Even my dog just went, like that. Thank you for watching.